Namaste, and once again welcome back to another session of online mathematics class. Last class we have discussed the topic tangents and normals, and we have discussed some problems in exercise 6.3. In this session we move on to the remaining part of exercise 6.3. Let me start with question number 15. Here the question is, find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is first one parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, and second one perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. So here the equation of the curve is y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Here we can find the derivative dy by dx or the slope of the tangent 2x minus 2. Okay. And the tangent line is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So that is the first part. So since the tangent line is, or the tangent is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0, we can say the slope of two lines are equal. That means the slope of the tangent dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. That will be equal to what? Slope of this line. So from this line we can find the slope. Differentiate with respect to x. So 2 minus dy by dx is equal to 0, or dy by dx is equal to 2. Okay, here take it as equation 1, this one equation 2. So according to the given condition, these two values are equal. Slope of the tangent line is equal to slope of this line because the two lines are parallel. Parallel means m1 equal to m2. Slopes are equal. So from 1 and 2 we get 2x minus 2 is equal to 2, which implies 2x equal to 2 plus 2 4, or x equal to 2. Now we can find the corresponding value of y. We can put this value of x in the equation of the curve. So x equal to 2 implies y is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. 2 square is 4, 2 2s are 4, then plus 7. So the y value is 7. So the required point is 2, 7. Okay. Now we have to find the corresponding equation of the tangent at the point 2, 7. So the equation of tangent at 2, 7 is y minus y0. Y minus 7 is equal to f dash of x0. Here the slope is 2. So 2 into x minus x0, x minus 2. That is y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4, or we can write minus 2x plus y minus 7 plus 4 is equal to 0. That is minus 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. And we can rewrite like this: 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and it is the required equation of the tangent. Okay. Now we shall discuss the second part. Here the tangent line is perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. So since the tangent is perpendicular to 5y minus 15x is equal to 13, we can use the result product of slope is equal to minus 1. That means m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Okay. So for that, first we can find the derivative from this step. 5 into dy by dx, then minus 15 into 1, 15, which is equal to 13. 13 derivative 0. Or we can write 5 dy by dx is equal to 15, or dy by dx is equal to 15 divided by 5, which is equal to 3. Okay. So since the tangent is perpendicular to this line, we can use this condition: m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So here the slope of the tangent is 2x minus 2, and the slope of the line is 3. So into 3 which is equal to what? Minus 1. We can multiply this one. 6x minus 6 is equal to minus 1. 6x is equal to minus 1 plus 6. That is 6x is equal to 5 or x equal to 5 by 6. Now we can find the corresponding value of y. So y is equal to 5 by 6 the whole square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. That is 25 by 36 minus 10 by 6 then plus 7. So here in the second term we can multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. So 60 by 36 plus 7. 36 common denominator, 25 minus 60 minus 35 then plus 7. Now we can cross multiply. Minus 35 plus 36 into 7, 252 divided by 36. So which is equal to 217 divided by 36. Therefore the required point is 5 by 6 comma 217 divided by 36. Now we can write the equation of tangent at this point. So equation of tangent is y minus 217 divided by 36 is equal to the slope. Here the tangent is perpendicular to this line. So here minus 1 by 3 into x minus x0, x minus 5 by 6. We can cross multiply or we can multiply throughout by 36. Multiplying throughout by 36. 36y minus 217 is equal to 36 into minus 1 by 3, that is minus 12 into x minus 5 by 6. 36y minus 217 is equal to, we can multiply minus 12x minus 12 and 6 cancel, we get 2. Minus into minus plus 2 into 5, 10. Okay, that is 12x plus 36y minus 217 minus 10 is equal to 0, or we can write 12x plus 36y minus 227 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the required equation of the tangent. It is perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. Okay, now we move on to the next question. Show that the tangents to the curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the points where x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. Okay, parallel means we have to prove the slopes are equal. So here the equation of the curve is y is equal to 7x cube plus 11, and we can find the derivative or the slope of the tangent dy by dx is equal to 21x square. Now we can find the slope of the tangent at the particular point. So slope of the tangent at x equal to 2, or we can write dy by dx at x equal to 2, which is equal to 21 into 2 square, that is 21 into 4, which is equal to 84. Okay, similarly we can find the slope of the tangent at x equal to minus 2. So slope of the tangent at x equal to minus 2, that is dy by dx at x equal to minus 2, which is equal to 21 into, instead of x we can replace minus 2, so minus 2 the whole square, that also equal to 21 into 4, which is equal to what? 84. So here we got the slopes same. Okay, that means the slopes are equal, m1 is equal to m2, so we can conclude the tangents to the curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the points x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. Okay, therefore the tangents are parallel. Clear? So here the next question is, Find the points on the curve y equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. Okay, so here the curve is y is equal to x cube and the slope of the tangent is dy by dx is equal to 3x square. Okay, and it is given that slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. We know the slope of the tangent is denoted by dy by dx, so it is given dy by dx is equal to y coordinate, that is y. Okay, so this one we can take it as 1 and the second one equation 2. So from 1 and 2 we get 3x square is equal to y, and the y value here it is x cube, that we can replace 3x square is equal to x cube. We can rearrange the term 3x square minus x cube is equal to 0. Take on x square into 3 minus x is equal to 0. X square is equal to 0 or 3 minus x equal to 0. X equal to 0 or x equal to 3. Okay. Now we can find the corresponding values of y. When x equal to 0, y is equal to x cube, 0 cube which is equal to 0. And when x equal to 3, y is equal to 3 cube which is equal to 27. Therefore, the required points are 0, 0 and 3, 27. Okay. That means at the point 0, 0 and 3, 27, the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. Understood? Here the next question is, for the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5, find all points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Okay, we have to find the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. So here we can suppose let h comma k be the point at which the tangent passes through the origin. Okay, suppose that h comma k be the point at which the tangent passes through the origin. Now we can write the y value, that means the equation of the curve 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5, and we can find the slope of the tangent dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 12x square minus 10x raised to 4. Then slope of the tangent is equal to dy by dx at h comma k, it is equal to 12h square minus 10h raised to 4. Now we can find the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent is y minus y0, that is y minus k is equal to f dash of x0 into, that is slope, into 12h square minus 10h raised to 4 into x minus x0, x minus h. Okay, our equation is y minus y0 is equal to f dash of x0 dy by dx into x minus x0. Here the y0 y value is k, so y minus k is equal to, and the slope of the tangent is 12h square minus 10h raised to 4 into x minus x0. x0 value is h, and it is given that the tangent passes through the origin. So since the tangent passes through the origin, we can put the x value and y value as 0. Okay, origin means the coordinate 0, 0. So 0 minus k is equal to 12h square minus 10h raised to 4 into 0 minus h. Okay, so minus k is equal to 12h square minus 10h raised to 4 into 0 minus h, that is minus h. Here minus and minus we can cancel. K is equal to 12, h we can multiply, h cube minus 10 h raised to 5. You can take it as equation number 1. Okay. And here h comma k is a point on the curve. So it must satisfy this equation y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. Okay. So since h comma k is a point on the curve, we can write here y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. So instead of y, we can put k. K is equal to 4x cube. Instead of x, we can put h. 4h cube minus 2h raised to 5. Take it as equation number 2. Now we can solve these two equations. Solving 1 and 2, we get here LHS is same, so we can equate the RHS part. 12h cube minus 10h raised to 5 is equal to 4h cube minus 2h raised to 5. Now we can rearrange the terms. 12h cube minus 10h raised to 5 minus 4h cube plus 2h raised to 5 is equal to 0. 12h cube minus 4h cube, that is 8h cube, minus 10h raised to 5 plus 2h raised to 5 minus 8h raised to 5. This is equal to 0. Okay. Here we can take on 8h cube common. So 8h cube into 1 minus h square is equal to 0. That is 8h cube into, this is in the form a square minus b square. So we can write a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus h into 1 minus h is equal to 0. We can equate each and every term. So h is equal to 0 or 1 plus h equal to 0. That is h is equal to minus 1. Or 1 minus h equal to 0 implies h is equal to 1. So therefore the value of h are 0, minus 1 and plus 1. Now we can find the corresponding values of k. We can replace the value in equation number 1. When h is equal to 0, k is equal to 12 into 0 cube minus 10 into 0 raised to 5, that is 0. And when h is equal to minus 1, k is equal to 12 into minus 1 cube, then minus 10 into minus 1 raised to 5, which is equal to 12 into minus 1, then minus 10 into minus 1. That is minus 12 plus 10, which is equal to what? Minus 2. And when h is equal to plus 1, k is equal to 12 minus 10, which is equal to 2. Okay. So therefore 0 comma 0, minus 1 comma minus 2 and 1 comma 2 are the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. At which the tangent passes through the origin. Okay. Now we move on to question number 19. Find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 at which the tangents are parallel to the x-axis. Okay. So the given curve is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we can differentiate with respect to x. So 2x plus 2y into dy by dx, then minus 2 is equal to 0. Or 2y into dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 2x, dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 2x by 2y. Here we can take on 2 common. 2 into 1 minus x divided by 2y. 2 and 2 we can cancel and we get 1 minus x divided by y. So this is dy by dx. Here we can write the condition y not equal to 0. Because y is on the denominator. If y is 0, the fraction does not exist. So the denominator cannot be 0. Okay. Now it is given that the tangent is parallel to x-axis. We all know tangent is parallel to x-axis means slope of the tangent is 0. That means dy by dx is equal to 0. So here we can write, since the tangent is parallel to x-axis, dy by dx is equal to 0. That means the slope of the tangent is equal to 0, which implies 1 minus x by y is equal to 0, or we can write 1 minus x equal to 0 and x is equal to what? 1. Okay, now we can find the corresponding value of y. We can put this value in the given curve, equation of the curve. So when x is equal to 1, we can replace here 1 square plus y square minus 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. That is 1 plus y square minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. Or we can write y square minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Y square equal to 4 or y equal to root of 4, which is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay. Therefore, we can conclude at the point 1 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 2, the tangents are parallel to the x-axis. Okay. So at 1 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 2, the tangents are parallel to the x-axis. Clear? Now we move on to the next question. Find the equation of the normal at the point am square comma am cube for the curve a y square is equal to x cube. Okay, here we have to write the equation of the normal. So first of all, we can find the derivative. Ay square is equal to x cube. We can differentiate with respect to x. A into 2y into dy by dx, which is equal to 3x square, or we can write dy by dx is equal to 3x square divided by 2ay. Okay, slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx at the point am square comma am cube. So here 3 into am square the whole square divided by 2a into am cube. Okay, which is equal to 3a square m raised to 4 divided by 2a square m cube. A square we can cancel, and on m cube we are also cancel. So the remaining term is 3 by 2 m. Okay, or 3 m by 2. As we know, slope of normal is the negative reciprocal of slope of tangent. So here we can write slope of normal is equal to the negative reciprocal, minus 2 divided by 3m. Okay, here it is 3m by 2. So the negative reciprocal means minus 2 divided by 3m. Now we can write the equation of normal. Equation of normal is y minus y0, that is y minus am cube, which is equal to minus 1 by f dash of x0. That means the slope of normal, here it is minus 2 by 3m. Minus 2 by 3m into x minus x0, x minus am square. This 3m we can cross multiply, 3my minus 3am raised to 4, which is equal to minus 2x plus 2am square. Now we can rearrange the terms. 3my minus 3am raised to 4 plus 2x minus 2am square is equal to 0, and we can rearrange 2x plus 3my, then minus 3am raised to 4 minus 2am square is equal to 0. That is 2x plus 3my. Here minus am square we can take common. So minus am square into 3m square then plus 2, which is equal to 0. So the required equation is, or the equation of the normal is 2x plus 3my minus am square into 3m square plus 2, which is equal to 0. Understood? So that's all for today. Thank you.